Welcome to ArtMagic.
Discover the joy of drawing Easter eggs with this detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to draw. Start by drawing an oval shape on your paper. This will be the base for your Easter egg. Now, let's add some unique designs to our egg. You can draw zigzags, polka dots, stripes, hearts, stars, or any other pattern you like. Get creative and experiment with different designs for each egg. Once you've decided on your design, carefully draw it inside the oval shape, filling the entire egg. Repeat steps 1 to 3 to draw as many eggs as you'd like, each with its own distinctive design. Remember, the more eggs you draw, the more colorful your Easter display will be. Now it's time to bring your eggs to life with color. Use your favorite markers, crayons, or colored pencils to fill in each egg with vibrant hues. You can match the colors to your designs or mix and match for a playful look. Take your time coloring each egg, making sure to stay within the lines and blend colors smoothly for a professional finish. Once you've finished coloring all of your eggs, step back and admire your colorful creations. You've just created a beautiful collection of Easter eggs, each with its own unique design. Display your finished artwork proudly or use it to decorate your home for Easter. You can also share your creations with friends and family to spread joy and celebrate the season together. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.